Welcome to Car Alerts, your go-to channel for all things automotive. From the latest news to in-depth reviews, we've got you covered. Join us as we navigate the fast lane of the car world, delivering straightforward updates and insights to keep you informed and entertained. In the heart of the urban jungle, where style meets performance, there exists a machine that defies definition: the BMW X6. The X6 is not merely a car. It's a statement. A sculpted presence that turns heads wherever it goes, but beneath its undeniable beauty lies a thrilling spirit, a powerful engine that begs to be unleashed. Feel the surge of adrenaline as the X6 rockets forward, propelled by a surge of exhilarating power. Experience the exhilarating thrill of untamed performance, a perfect balance of luxury and agility. Step inside a sanctuary of comfort and refinement. Surround yourself with premium materials and innovative technology designed to elevate every journey. The X6 isn't just about driving, it's about arriving in style and indulging in unparalleled luxury. Introducing the BMW X6, where audacious design meets exhilarating performance. This bold SUV carves through cityscapes with confidence, turning heads wherever it goes. The X6 is more than a car, it's an extension of yourself. It's a reflection of your drive, your ambition, your desire to conquer every road. With the X6, you'll leave your mark on the city, one unforgettable turn at a time. Stay connected and in control with the X6's intuitive infotainment system and driver-centric features. Every journey is effortless in the BMW X6. The BMW X6, the ultimate driving experience for those who refuse to compromise. Thanks for riding along with us at Car Alerts. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more thrilling car content.